a perfect combination, I would say.
Yeah.
I believe you were there in the United States for about 14 years. And Krishna ji had also been with you.
Yeah.
So what made you come back to Bharat and serve the country? Because, when you've spent such a long time in the United States, so what was that one factor that, persuaded you that you have to come back to your country and do something for Bharat?
Like I said earlier, these technologies were not being done in our part of the world, leave alone India. The entire developing world did not have platforms, technologies, product building, new molecule development, and affordable healthcare and vaccines and pharmaceuticals. So we felt that this was the need of the hour at that point of time, and it still is, and it's going to be more as we go into the future. So for us, we walked back into India with our green cards, with our permanent residencies in the United States. And a few years later, we would have been ready for our citizenships as well. So that was the time where we felt that, no, this is a call that we need to take at this point of time. And the children were young. Both my children were probably around, they were 12 and 6 or so. And then at that point of time, we felt that we needed to get back home and then build on this, because it takes decades to build this kind of science and academic research and talent and garner resources. And it's long drawn. It's not there's no shortcuts. I just heard the earlier speaker say that as well. There's no shortcuts in life. And so for us, especially product development and processes, and India was not geared up for it as well at that point of time. So we felt that strong urge. The passion to come back to India to serve the country was always there. And that's why I called it Bharat. I coined the name for the company, and I called it Bharat. So that itself, just goes to show what what we felt about how emotionally connected we were to the entire decision-making process, because people kind of did not ridicule us, but looked at us weirdly, They said, why are you going back? So that was a question that we kept answering for quite some time, until we could prove ourselves.
So what was your reply to those who asked you, why are you going back to your country? You have established yourself in the United States. Why don't you stay here and do something? What was your reply to them at that point in time?
We again had to tell them this entire story of how we need technology building, because back in the US, we come from the academic research, scientific background. So most of us were, our peers and colleagues and friends were all doctors and physicians and exceptionally intellectual, professionals in teaching and research institutions. For them, they've understood that this was a gap that needs to be addressed in India, and many of them understood that, but then they felt that we were, entrepreneurship. I guess the one word that I can just relate to it is just entrepreneurship. You don't know what it makes you to do, and you can dive deep down into the ocean and, or scale mountains, and that's entrepreneurship to me, in my own little way. Yeah.